Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to train your jaw. Firstly, the muscles connecting your sternum and collarbone on your jaw are often weak or underused. Strengthening them can sharpen and define your jawline, prevent or reduce neck pain, and alleviate headaches and jaw pain. Firstly, the neck curl up. Keep your chin tucked and lift your head just 2 inches off the ground and avoid lifting your stomach. Start with 3 sets of 10 and increase gradually. 2. Collarbone back up. Strengthen muscles along the front and sides of the neck, improving posture and pulling the head back to align over the shoulders. Keep ears aligned over your shoulders, then keep your head level, no tilting up or down. Hold the position and feel the muscle contract. Repeat 3 sets of 10 to start, progressing to holding the position for 30 plus seconds. And finally, tongue twister. Press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth behind your teeth, then maintain tension while humming to activate muscles deeply. 3 sets of 15 humming vibrations. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.